This is the T5 I bought a few years ago. Converted it into a very basic two-person camper, one-person, two-person camper with a SMEV, two-burner stove, sink and a wastewater bottle underneath with a freshwater bottle beside it. Basic electric pump. I decided to leave the combi seats in place as they had proper Volkswagen seat belts, and as this is going to be mostly used for 4 people travelling, it's much safer than a rock and roll bed. But in practice, really only 2 people camp in it, usually just me. Below the seats are tough boxes, ideal for anything that needs to be kept dry and safe. There are a couple of tough boxes under the combi seats too. Under the passenger seat is where the leisure battery is, and the left hand side is just junk storage, mostly bike parts in there. There's a basic plywood floor with a raised plastic step. That's the original step. I just managed to lift it up a little so it still fits against the floor and in the doorway. It's a 2013 T30 HighLine, 2-litre engine, quite economical. I kept the standard Volkswagen Cartagena wheels, decided to have those powder coated in black to make them look a little bit more modern. Michelin cross climate tyres, new this year, really excellent tyres, very low noise. It's a very basic conversion. It was never designed to be camped in for long periods of time, just perhaps weekends away with the bike over to France, Germany, whatever. Get you there quite quickly, somewhere nice to stay, but can also carry the bikes and you can cook your food.